After this trick, you'll never clean a baking tray any other way. Burnt-on residue doesn't always require harsh chemicals. First, remove the baking paper you used. Take a look at how dirty the surface is. Pour previously boiled hot water over the tray. The heat helps soften dried grease and burnt residue. Leave it for about 5 minutes so the warmth can loosen the grime. After that, rinse the tray thoroughly. Next, prepare a raw potato and some salt. Potatoes contain natural starch and acids that help break down burnt residue. 5 home methods to clean your oven that melt burnt-on grime like butter in a pan, without spending a fortune. You'll use these tricks for years. Sprinkle baking soda inside the oven, pour Coca-Cola, add salt and a bit of glass cleaner. This mix will dissolve dirt and grease without scrubbing. After a few minutes, wipe it all off with a damp cloth and your oven will shine like new. Put limes in the oven and see the amazing effect. Slice them, sprinkle with baking soda, add vinegar and a little water, then bake at high heat for 20 minutes. The steam will loosen grime so you can clean effortlessly. A simple coin can solve stubborn oven stains. Mix baking soda, water, and vinegar, spread over burnt spots. Place the rest of the mixture in the oven at 210 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Dirt will lift off without scrubbing, and the coin trick removes the rest. Clean a burnt oven with no effort. Place a dishwasher tablet in an oven-proof dish. Cover with boiling water, and put it in the oven heated to 210 degrees Fahrenheit. After 1 hour, wipe the inside with a damp sponge. Grime is gone. Try this simple trick. You can even clean your oven while you sleep. Empty it, place a bowl with 3 pints of hot water and 1 tablespoon of vinegar inside. Mix and leave overnight. Steam and vinegar will dissolve grime with 0 effort. In the morning, wipe the inside with a cloth dipped in the mixture. Your oven will be spotless and gleaming. Grease and burnt-on residue in your oven will disappear faster than you think. No expensive chemicals or scraping needed. When your oven is in terrible condition and you don't know where to start, try this simple method. Prepare some baking soda. It neutralizes odors, dissolves grease, and helps lift burnt-on grime. Sprinkle it evenly over the entire glass surface to create a cleaning layer. Next, take dish soap and gently drizzle it over the baking soda. Dish soap cuts through grease and breaks down built-up residue. When everything is ready, add vinegar and pour it over the mixture. Vinegar's descaling and antibacterial properties cause it to foam intensely when combined with baking soda. Watch how the chemical reaction lifts dirt and loosens it from the surface. The mixture gets to work, dissolving even old, stubborn burns. Finally, sprinkle salt over the whole surface. Salt acts like a natural scrub, increasing friction and helping clean stubborn spots. Using a brush, scrub the oven in circular motions. When finished, wipe the surface with a paper towel. The results are visible immediately. Your oven will shine like new.